it sucks, dude. You know, it definitely sucks. That's a lot of bikes. It's a lot of people going down. But like I said, from my years of experience, that's what I've seen before. It's just, oh, sweet. Oh boy, it's beautiful. But you know, it's just one of those things where egos get involved in that, and sometimes, like, if it's nothing legitimately that you didn't do, you know, like if it's a tire that blows out or it's a mechanical function that happens that just messes you up, it just is what it is. It just happens, you know what I mean? It just sucks that it happened in that moment, which caused a very, very bad accident, you know, so it sucks, dude. But, I mean, it's hard to, I don't think there's really anybody to blame in that situation. It just happened, you know what I'm saying? It just happened. It's one of those things that happens, man, and it's unfortunate, you know, but like I said, nobody lost their lives, and there was some, I heard there was some horrific injuries though, which sucks. You know, I heard there was some horrific injuries, you know what I mean? It sucks, man. It is what it is. But what I will say is that Dallas right now is like the hot spot, you know, other than like Florida, you know, certain spots in Florida, it's a hot spot right now. And you know, you got a lot of people moving there, and not just moving there, you got a lot of people visiting there, you know what I mean, to make content and link up with you know, other tubers, link up with other tubers. So, you know, you just got to be super careful about like what you're doing. You know, again, Dallas is right now attracting the best and the worst of us in the sport bike motorcycle community, attracting the best and the worst of us, simply because, again, the police are probably having a field day out there because they're like, yeah, come on, come out here. But at the same time, it's a catch-22 because they're like, hey, the more people coming out here to be racing and, you know, and doing stuff, you know, it's going to cause more accidents. More people are going to die. And, you know, so shit just comes with the territory a little bit, you know. It's unfortunate, super unfortunate, like super unfortunate. Like the way this shit is happening, bro. It's fucking crazy. It's crazy. Gonna do. Me and Ducati boy was just chilling, bro. It's like just because you see him, bro, on the highway, it doesn't mean it's like automatic. I gotta chase you. You know what I mean? It's like it's crazy, bro. Like just ride your ride, man. You know. All you gotta do is just ride your ride, dude. And it doesn't mean that we couldn't have, you know, been like, hey, let's go a little bit. Well, everybody's just riding their own ride, man. It's like, I'm not gonna let somebody come and take me out of the vibe that I'm in, you know what I mean? That's where the ego comes in, like, oh, I could have easily been like, oh, this motherfucker got Ducati, let's try to, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's try to eat him, let's try to get him to race, you know what I mean? Like, I want to see if I'm faster, blah, blah, blah. It's like, it's so stupid. Go for a bike. And we just ride, man. We just chilling. Just chill. You know, for the most part, police don't mess with you when you're just chilling, bro. I just be chilling. Oh, what you doing? You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just wild, man. Just kind of something. Now let me slow down around here because this is an area that gets a little hot. Not necessarily right on here, but the area that we are in, it does get a little dicey. The police don't go. Don't fucking do it. The police are a little strict over here, so you know, it's all about knowing your area too. You know what I mean? It's all about knowing your area. Man, oh, that was a nice ass turn too, bro. That was clean. Oh, I need gas. I need some gas, some gasolina. He better turn. You better fucking turn. Gotta be careful, man. These cats, they act like they don't. They've been changing their minds, man, on this road. QT down there. Could have went over there. We're gonna hit the Q-tizzle. Terrible. That was fucking horrible. Hey. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get some petrol, man. Let's get some petrol. All right. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna fill up. We're gonna take a ride. 1604, man. We're just gonna ride today, man. I don't know where the fuck we're going. Ain't got no destination. So I guess I'll make it. Let's take a look real quick. Make sure. Jesus equipment and comes the Glock. I so love the word. Make sure that tensioner is on there. Make sure that tensioner is on there. Hey, what's going on, boss? Be safe out there, man. But do they know? Yeah, it's bad. Like the roads are so bad over here with all the construction. It's really bad. Look at that. That shit is terrible. Normally, I wouldn't come over here or like down here. To me, this is like the worst when you have these four-way stop signs, because people in San Antonio don't know how to use a stop sign whatsoever. They don't know how to use them. So it's like you just gotta like pray to get the timing down right. Oh shit. Oh, hold on. Okay. Making sure. I've lost my wallet once before. I don't want to lose that shit again. Do you want it to be in? La da da. My ninja, you my ninja till we go. My ninja. What the fuck is flex is this? I know what that means. Done it before. Get sucked in. They got so much construction down there. I keep forgetting that it gets really, really bad. It's gonna force me to lane split. You're my ninja till the end. Oh. Yeah. Hey, look, and we got the Alpine stars, man. The Alpines are glowing right now. Ooh, they look pretty. In the maximum heat, they turn green, just like we got the, just like we got the green accents on the Suzuki. It's pretty nice, man. Came out well. Came out really, real well. It's been a pretty decent amount on these gloves too. I like them. Fine Star stuff is pretty good. It's just expensive. Not an excuse to not buy their stuff, but good company. Like their stuff. Oh, I'm glad they're at the light, not me, man. Because I ain't gonna say I would have ran it, but I'm gonna say that I don't think I'd be waiting this long at all. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Another boy out on them bikes. Hey, boy. Hey. I don't know where the hell I'm at. I'm just driving, y'all. I'm just riding. I ain't been over here in a while, so hanging out. We just driving, man.